In other news tonight, jobs, patient care, and crucial services, three parts of the healthcare industry, leaders argue are at risk due to federal funding cuts. That's why they gathered together in Albany this morning, demanding a change, and CBS 6's Sean Kavanagh was there.
Any cuts to Medicaid or federal government support is going to detrimentally affect the hospital's functioning.
Dozens uniting in support of New York's healthcare industry at the Albany Labor Temple Saturday, with an urgent warning about how the Trump administration's policies and proposals impact healthcare services and the workers who provide them. They were joined by Democratic Representative Paul Tonko.
This is not the America we know and love. They represent real threats to your jobs, to your working conditions, and most importantly, to the patients and the communities, to the consumers that you serve.
Industry leaders warn these cuts at the federal level could lead to longer ER wait times and delayed patient care. There were also a panel of representatives from unions who say that they are also affected by cuts.
It's about stripping power from working people and handing it over to private profiteers. It's about dismantling trust in government by starving it of the very people who make it work. To our union members, we know this playbook. They scrambled DEI and turned it into DIE. Divide, isolate, exterminate.
Also, government cutbacks that have been occurring affect the agencies that support our consumers and our communities.
The representative from 1199 SEIU, Christina Krim, spoke about supporting each other and standing united as unions to make sure funding is not lost.
So when history looks back over this moment that we are facing, do you want to be the individual that stood and took a stand and spoke your mind? Or do you want to be the individual that shrank back and watched as your whole life was ripped from in front of you?
Each of the panelists said that they will keep fighting and speaking out so the workers can keep supporting themselves and the community. In Albany, Sean Kavanagh, CBS 6 News.